Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video, so today I'm just gonna make a follow-up video on the Proton Persona MC2, right? Because recently I have people asking me, how to change the radio, because it seems that people have problems tune into a different radio station, right? So today we are gonna try tuning the radio station to whatever station that you want, right? So let's try it. Okay, so one of the most popular questions is people asking me why they cannot change the radio station, right? So actually I don't really know the answer why you cannot change the radio station, especially if you were to say the name, right? For example, hits.fm, my FM, fly FM or whatever. It seems that the system cannot recognize the radio station. So if you know how, please drop a comment. But from my end, I really cannot play the radio station by using its name. So anytime I want to change a radio station, I must first say the station number, right? So usually I would say play 95.3 or something, yeah, because obviously 95.3 is hits.fm from where I'm from. Okay, so let me just go through the process, right? So before you can tune the radio, you must first go into the radio. So if you are playing like Bluetooth on my phone, so if you say play 95.3, it won't respond, right? So you have to go in to the radio first. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so now we are playing the Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm just gonna say, hi Proton,
good evening, Ian. Be careful while you're driving.
Play 95.3. Right, so obviously it doesn't go into radio, it's still in Bluetooth mode, right? So I think if you want to tune your radio station, you must first go into the radio. So you can say, hi Proton,
good evening, Ian. Be careful while you're driving.
Play radio. So now you can see that we have entered the radio station. Okay, so now it's playing the radio. So yeah, I think from here onwards you can of course tune the radio because you are already in the radio app. Okay, so let's say if you want to okay, let's change this to a random radio, right? Okay, so the thing is, I think I understand what people are saying. They would like to change the radio based on the radio station name itself, right? For example, hits.fm. But like I said earlier, I think the system has a problem finding out the station name. Maybe it doesn't know the commands, or it's not intelligent enough. I don't know, but it seems that it's unable to find the station name. For example, let me try. Hi Proton.
Good evening, Ian. Be careful while you're driving.
Play Fly FM.
Okay, tuning to Fly FM.
Right, so you can see it doesn't really work. Even if it's able to tune, it's usually gonna tune it to the closest radio station, right? So I think it's not accurate. So if you say it based on the station name, I don't think it will be able to tune it to that particular station, right? So the best way to tune a radio in this car is to say the station code or the station frequency, right? So if I want hits.fm, I will have to say the radio frequency of the hits.fm station. So in my city it's 95.3. Okay, so let's try. Hi Proton.
Yes, I'm here.
Play 95.3.
I'm already playing 95.3 FM.
Right, so as you can see, it works really well. When you say the frequency, you're able to tune it to the exact radio station, right? So that one, no problem. But if you say tune it to hits.fm, it seems that the system, will have problems doing that. Right, so I guess this car is not perfect, guys. It has some problems, right? But if you know how to use the command, I think it's okay, right? Instead of saying the station name, you can just say the exact radio frequency, so it will work, right? So sometimes we have to find alternative. Yeah, so I guess this is the problem with this car. And if you want to change the radio station, just say the frequency. So let's try it once again, okay, to be sure. Let's change it to maybe Cats FM, right? So Cats FM in my city is about 99.3, something like that. Okay, so let's try. Hi Proton. Hi Proton.
I'm listening.
Play 99.3.
This is 99.3 FM.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's playing Cats FM. Alright guys, so yeah, this is what I can share with you. Okay, this car is not perfect, so there are some problems with the infotainment system. A car within this budget range, I think it doesn't have the best or the most intelligent infotainment system, so you will have to make do with whatever they have. So I guess that's my short tutorial. Okay guys, so I guess that's pretty much it. I would also like to take this opportunity to apologize for not uploading more contents recently, right? Because I have been busy with my work, so I don't really have time to upload any videos. But fortunately today I have some time, so I was able to make this video, and I hope that it's useful for all of you out there who wants to know more about this car. So yeah guys, if you like the contents that I've been making for the past few months, do give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and if you like it, do consider subscribing, right? Who knows, one day I will be a car reviewer, right? So yeah guys, take care, see you again in the future, and happy new year to all of you. Bye bye.